Surya Namaskar by Dhirendra Brahmachari. Information. This Surya Namaskar adapted from Yogasana Vijnana, The Science of Yoga, book written by Swami Dhirendra Brahmachari. Surya Namaskar should be performed in the morning since the exercise has a definite relation to the sun and full advantage is only derived by its being performed at the right time. हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सैरी विनाशा योगा फ्लो। यस, तो अभी मैं सूर्य नमस्कार परफॉर्म करने वाली हूँ, वो है हमारे एज पर स्वामी धीरेन्द्र ब्रह्मचारी, उनके स्टाइल से मैं परफॉर्म करने वाली हूँ। तो इसमें कंप्लीट 12 जो है 12 आपका टुगेदर एक सेट होता है 12 आसनास का, वही। तो इसमें क्या होगा, आपका आसन नेम नहीं है, ओनली आसन काउंटिंग करेंगे और उसके इंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे कैसे आसन में जाना है, मीन्स जो सीक्वेंस होता है तो उसमें कैसे जाना है, कैसे आपको आना है, ये आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन इसमें रहेंगे। तो इसमें आपको जो ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न होता है, इसमें आपको ब्रीदिंग होल्ड करनी है। फर्स्ट इनहेल करना है, वो जो आसन में आप जाएंगे तो फर्स्ट इनहेल करना है और आसन से कंप्लीट आने तक, नेक्स्ट आसन में जाने तक आपको वो ब्रीदिंग होल्ड करके रखना है। देन नेक्स्ट जैसे आसन में आप जाते हो तो अगेन इनहेल एंड होल्ड योर ब्रीथ कंप्लीट व्हेन यू कंप्लीट योर जो सीक्वेंस होता है वो। तो आपको इसमें ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न होगा, आपको इनहेल करना है एंड होल्ड करके रखना है इसमें। तो यस, तो यही जो आसन अभी मैं परफॉर्म करूँगी, इसमें कुछ जो है वो लिटिल डिफिकल्ट लेवल पे है इसमें आसन। तो इसमें जर्क देना है आपको, तो जर्क देना है विथ ब्रीदिंग होल्ड करके रखना है इसमें। तो यही आसन की खासियत है। तो आपको ये आसन जो है एक आपकी फिजिकल लेवल और आपकी स्ट्रेंथनिंग लेवल जो है वेरी इसमें बहुत बेनिफिशियल है, आपने डेली परफॉर्म करना चाहिए। उसके साथ जो हमारा वाईसीबी बोर्ड है, योगा सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है, तो उसमें जो लेवल 4 होता है वाईसीबी मास्टर, जो योगा मास्टर होता है एंड योगा थेरेपी, तो इसमें ये सूर्य नमस्कार पूछे जाते हैं। तो ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, जैसे कि आपको ये ईजी होगा। यस, तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। स्टेप 1, स्टैंडिंग फेसिंग ईस्ट, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ राइजिंग सन, folding the hands reverently before the Lord Sun. Place them on the chest to worship the sublime deity, just as they are placed for greeting any distinguished person. Step 2. The arms and in fact every part of body should be kept absolutely rigid. Raised both arms up at the same time, while the body from the feet to the waist and the extended arms are kept straight. The trunk from the waist to the shoulders is arched slightly backward. Step 3. The arms are then swing forward and downward slowly so as to touch the ground by the side of the feet while the head touches the knees. While doing so, the body should not be bent at the same knee. Step 4. Standing upright, again the left foot should be taken backward with a jerk, while the chest is kept extended and taut. Step 5. Arm should be lifted upward and backward. Look up. Right knee should be bent forward and balance your body weight on your left leg too. Step 6. The left foot should be brought back to its initial position with a jerk while lowering the arms. Right foot should be carried backward. Both hands down beside your legs and look up. Step 7. Again the arms should be lifted upwards. The chest arch slightly and backward and kept taut. Look up, open your eyes. Left leg bend forward and right leg stretch out and place on toe. Step 8. Lowering the hands to touch the ground. Feet should be taken backward while the buttocks are kept raised as much as possible. Whole body kept rigid. Legs should be straight till hip. Step 9. Supporting whole body on the hands and the feet. It should be lowered to such an extent that should remain just above the surface of the ground, but for the hands and the toes. Slightly your chest down and forehead down. Step 10. The chest should be pulled up, supporting the body on the hand and the toes. The chest and the head should be stretched backward, hand straight, body weight on toes and hand, lower back, push inside, look up, open your chest. It's like upward facing. Step 11. The feet should be bowed forward between the hands with a jump. The waist should be lifted up and the legs should be kept absolutely straight. The head is kept on the knees. Place your hand side of the leg on mat. Step 12. The arm should be raised and keeping the body rigid. The hand should be folded in front of the chest in Pranamasana. Look front. Contraindications. Pregnant women should not continue its practice after the 3rd month of pregnancy. Patients of hernia are warned against its practice. Do it with the proper guidance of the guru. Benefits. Surya Namaskar is rated one of the best yogic exercise since through its alone the benefits of asana, mudras as well as pranayama can be attained. It includes the inflow of pure vital air in sufficient quantities in the lungs, which make the body glow like sun. This exercise also have 12 division component. For each part of the body, there is a theoretically a provision of separate and distinct type of Surya Namaskar so that not even the tiniest parts of the body escapes its wholesome influence. It broadens the chest and beautifies the arms. Dermatologically, disorders are prevented and those who already have them can be cured. It relieves constipation and stimulates digestion. Curing the abdominal complaints, it also reduces the paunch. Its practice makes the spine and waist flexible. It is useful for all. Recommended for those who short status or the crooked bodies. Surya Namaskar is a advantage when performed in the open air and bright sunshine. Continue and the celibacy are easily achieved by its practice. Lethargic and lazy person can also derive great advantage.